Hello, if you use Osmo Mobile 3 or DJI Mimo app in general, you may have experienced some problems with Final Cut and with audio on your iMac or Windows PC. So you record some on your DJI and the file is perfectly fine. You hear and see all that you recorded, and as soon you export this to Final Cut, there is no audio, as you can see. How to correct this situation? You must open the file or wait till update from DJI, but you must open the file with QuickTime and choose save. So I have already saved, and then you look for the same file and you export it, and voila, you have your audio and the video footage is saved. So you can wait till DJI or Apple will solve this problem with an update, but this may take several months or more, or even could not be solved at all. Or you can use my method. I have been fighting with this problem through all day today, and now I solved this. This is not the fine way, but there is no alternative. So you can use your Osmo Mobile and without DJI app, so with stock Apple app, and it will be work properly. But as soon you use DJI Mimo app, you get these problems. Okay, till then.